Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Australian report for the 23rd of October. Now, I need to just talk about a mistake I made. So I was counting down here as wave 1 and 2 and 3 here, and I was looking for wave 4 to come back and then wave 5 to come back here, and it just didn't occur. So I haven't done anything incorrect in terms of counting this particular structure to the downside here, but I'm just left with 3 waves. So I'm going to have to put wave A here, wave B over here. If I'll just remove this for a moment, we'll need these over here. And wave C down through here for this. And I'm just going to move these out of the way as well, because that leaves us with another situation as well. So the move down here, I'd have to look at it as an A wave, an A, B, C here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here to finish off. It's the only way that it fits logically for this. So I just thought I needed to go back over that particular point there. So when I come back out to the bigger picture here for a moment, let's just go to the 4-hour chart. So I think this is what I've got here. In fact, this actually needs to move over here for this. And then we've got this to move up here. So I'm thinking that we will have, this is all of wave 5 of 3 moving up into this point, and then we'll have wave 4 and wave 5 moving up here, maybe even higher as well, but we'll just track the 5 waves here. So I've only got 3 waves here when I was looking for 5 waves. That's the point I was trying to make. So my mistake comes back into this little area through here for this. So I think that, let's just check it out on this chart here. So yeah, I think it pans a little bit out like this here for this. So actually, that can actually go here as well. Anyway, I'll need to do some more work on that, but that's okay. I'll still end up with 3 waves here. So the main point here is that, or 2 points, we're looking for Friday to be bullish, and we want the 6,200 here as the support here for this. So I expect the market to push up here further, in line with the US markets. So we'll probably get some sort of little, it won't be too large, some sort of thing like this here really. Yeah, we just need to keep the stop out of the way for the time being, while it basically finds its way on support here. So you can pretty much, I mean, I don't want to put you long just before the level, so we need to put it sort of over here. So you'll need to look for some sort of support and definitely buy the high out here. The other thing that we can do here, if I can just go to, let's just go to the tick chart for a moment. So this is the 62 here. This is, we've got the midpoint here as really good support, and we've also got group 2 here as support. But what I wanted, so the stops can go down there under group 2, but what I wanted to point out is that we've got, just want to put the levels in here and just talk about them for a moment. So 30, so basically 1, 2 and 3, 10, 20 and 30. So what we're looking for, we can see we've got a little impulse wave here. So, I mean, I could put you long right here, right now, but we've also got an impulse wave here. We've got a corrective wave in 3 waves here. So really want to leave the stop out of the way under group 2 for this. Okay, let me have a look at this here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 into there. So we've got wave 1 there. I'll just pop that in there. That comes back over to here, so that's interesting. So that's a bit of a struggle. Maybe that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It still overlaps. It's no good there. I have to just pull that. I have to pull that apart really to nail that down at that point. I just don't know if wave 1 should go go here or here for that, but we've certainly got to clear wave 2, and also this would probably need to go down one level as well. So I mean the labeling here is such, but yeah, I'm just looking at the stop here. So the stop can go under here for this. So wherever you can get long, that's fine. The safer trade, of course, is having the support on the 6,200. And if Friday closes strong, then Monday's going to follow through on that as well. So just keep that in mind as well. Yeah, so that's it really, just very short and sweet. So let's just recap this a bit. So we've got the stop a little bit closer here, so we can move that stop up under group 2 here, which will be under 65 here. So it's really just tucked in under here for that. And to go long, if we can get the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and then the correction, then you can go long there. And then you can also put the stop, move that stop up under here as well, under that last low. And then you want to build in on 10, you want to get a small position, 20 and 30, and you could probably also add to 50. You don't want to be adding after that because we've got to get through the 300 here. And in fact, it's a good place to trade to and take profit at that point, at least take a percentage at that point there as well, at minimum. But everybody's doing different things. Some people are trading longer term, some are shorter term, some are just scalping, so it's all different things, but there will certainly be some sort of correction across that space, so you need to be mindful of that. Alrighty, I just need to leave it at that actually. So it does appear on the US markets that we're pushing up, and we have had our correction back here, so that's all good. We want support on the 200, and once we've got that, then the target is the 300 here. The longer term target is the 6,500. If you're going to hold through this here, as I mentioned, you don't want to be adding any more from the 50 because we're going to see swings that can come, back well close to the 50 anyway, probably the lower end of group 2 at the 65, maybe 62. So that will be another place to add to once we've got the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, some type of corrective pattern through here, and then we can look to add again, over here, and then also again through group 1 here again, the 10, 20 and 30 here, and then that our target will be the 500. 400 will give us a bit of grief, but not too much. So anyway, depends if you're day trading or you're building a position. Obviously the money's in the trend, and you can have cycles, wheels within wheels going in terms of trading as well. So a bit of food for thought. Alrighty, cheers.